Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to review on AliExpress. When your order is delivered, go to AliExpress and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and enter section My Orders. Now find order that you want to leave review for and tap on it to open its details and find button that says Write Review. So now you should see on your screen something similar to what I have on my screenshot. This is leave feedback, like form that you have to fill in, and now here you can give your star rating from 1 to 5 stars and write your review about the product quality, shipping and communication with the seller, for example. Also here in this field you can upload some photos or videos of the item to make your review more helpful for other customers. And after you press the submit feedback button at the bottom side of your screen, your review will appear on the product page, usually within 24 hours. But you have to keep in mind one thing, that once you post your review, you cannot delete it or edit it, so make sure that you're happy with what you write. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.